Hey everybody, John here over at Byrider. Just taking a second to show you one of the vehicles we have on our lot right now. And it's one of my favorites just because of how unique it is for something on our lot. We have a 2011 Chevy Impala, but it's the old police edition, which is really cool. So if you don't know much about police vehicles, they're really well maintained. Obviously they need to work for police officers to be able to use them. So they do a very good job of keeping them up to date and keeping them running. This one only has 95,000 miles on it, which is pretty low. And the interior is a little bit different than some of the other vehicles. So you'll see this seat right here has fabric on it, but the back seat is a leather material. It's a really nice looking vehicle. I'm going to take you around to the outside now, just kind of show you off some of the features it has. So it's got that classic Impala styling. They had this styling for quite a while because, you know what, it just worked. One of the things I do like about Impalas is they are a full-size vehicle, which means they have a lot of room and a lot of storage space. If you're looking for a vehicle for a family, this might be a really good option for you. Or maybe you're just looking for something that's a little bit bigger. This is a really good option for you. Here at Byrider, we sell vehicles every day. This one's not your speed because maybe you don't like that it was an old police vehicle. We have a 2014 limited edition with a similar body style, but a couple more fancy features. So if you're still looking for a vehicle, give me a call. My number here is 920-455-7788. Or go ahead and stop in, visit us here at our location. We got a lot of really great inventory, guys. 2805 Ramada Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin. Have a great day.